Mastering preferences. Prefer in English conversation. Hello there, English learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of expressing preferences, more specifically, how to use the word prefer to show your likes in English conversation. This word is a powerful tool that can make your English sound more fluent and natural. So, let's get started. Prefer is a verb we use when we like one thing more than another. It is often used in the structure prefer plus noun, gerund, ing form. For example, you might say, I prefer coffee to tea, or I prefer reading to watching TV. It's important to note that when comparing two things, we often use to, after, prefer. You could also use over, like, I prefer coffee over tea, though this is less formal. Now that we've got the basics, let's look at some examples. 1. I prefer dogs to cats. This sentence means you like dogs more than cats. 2. She prefers staying in to going out. This means she likes staying at home more than going out. Notice how prefer is followed by a noun or a gerund, ing form. This is a critical pattern to remember. Let's do some practice exercises to cement your understanding. 1. Complete the sentence. I prefer blank to blank. 2. Transform the sentence. I like basketball more than football. Hint. Use prefer. 3. Answer the question. Do you prefer reading books or watching movies? Pause the video and take some time to think about your answers. Once you're done, press play again. Answers. 1. Answers may vary, e.g., I prefer summer to winter. 2. I prefer basketball to football. 3. Answers may vary. And there we have it. Now, you have a better understanding of how to use the word prefer to express your preferences in English. It's a fantastic tool that can enhance your English speaking skills. Remember, practice is key when learning a new language. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore using favorite to express likes.